I am hibiscus tea. Drink me if your blood pressure fluctuates. I help relax blood vessels so blood flows more calmly.
I am lavender tea. Drink me if you can't fall asleep.
I boost your skin's radiance and support collagen production. Hi, I'm mandelic acid. I fight acne and brighten post-acne marks.
सर्दी में बॉडी को सिर्फ कवर नहीं, फ्यूल चाहिए। मूंगफली बॉडी के अंदर एनर्जी देती है, ताकि विंटर में हाथ पैर फ्रिज में रखोगे तो मुझ में मिठास बढ़ जाएगी। सब्जी बनाओगे या मिठाई? फ्रिज में रखते ही मेरा स्वाद मर जाता है। अंदर से मैं खराब हो जाता हूँ और बाहर।
We've been seeing a lot of videos like these where different elements and objects talk about themselves. And they share how they feel and how they work. And honestly, these videos are really interesting. Right now, they're going viral, trending everywhere, and getting millions of views. So the question is how can you make these type of videos? Let's take a look.
First, open ChatGPT. Then, go to Explore GPTs and click on it. After that, search for Object Talk and activate it. Once it's active, just type the name of any object you want. It will generate both image and video prompts for that object, which you can then use to create your content. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, I can't see Explore GPTs in my ChatGPT menu. That's true. This feature is only available in the Pro or Plus version. But don't worry, at the end of this video, I'll show you how you can do the same thing using the free GPT model. And if you're still looking for ChatGPT Pro without cost, you can also check out my previous video where I explained how to use GPT-5 for free. Anyway, once we get the image prompt, we can use it with any free image generation model. In this video, I'm using Nano Banana. Alright, now we have our image. Next, we'll generate the video. We'll copy the video script text from ChatGPT and start the video generation process.
Stop clicking so fast. I'm lagging here. And clean up these crumbs. Seriously, it's disgusting.
Some of you might be wondering, I don't have the Pro model for Gemini, so I can't generate videos. Wait, no problem. I've got alternatives for that too. You can visit this website called qwn.ai where you can generate videos for free from images.
I'm not lagging, you are. You click like panic solves problems. Clean the crumbs, slow down, and maybe I'll behave.
You can also use Meta AI. Upload your image and text prompt, it will make video for you. Sometime you may see sound issue with Meta AI, so you can then use Grok AI to create videos.
Not lagging. You are. You click like panic solves problems. Clean the crumbs, slow down, and maybe I'll behave.
All are quite similar to use. Pretty easy, right? So what are you waiting for? Start creating videos and keep making your reels go viral. Now let's see how to generate prompts for free, just like GPT-5. Here, I'm giving you one universal prompt. When you use this prompt in the free GPT model and then enter any object name, it will give you similar type of results like GPT Pro version. With this, you can easily get both image and video prompts. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Very soon I'll be bringing more content you're going to enjoy, including a client hunting series, how to send unlimited emails for free, and secret WordPress tools for auto blogging and Amazon affiliate work, all at no cost. So stay tuned, my friend. Goodbye and have a great day.